I absolutely agree with you that we've had a really rough patch. And that rough patch has, is included even more than those questions that you've talked about. It's not only about the American-Pakistani relationship, it's about Pakistan's changes as well, the assassination of Governor Taseer, the assassination of Minister Bhatti, the economic issues that we're so committed to working on. There are a lot of problems here, and you're right. And the elements that you mentioned have made our relationship go into a troubled time, and it makes us less able to help. Where I'm optimistic is that we've put most of that behind us. The issues you mentioned are still on the plate. We still have to have discussions, but there was a period in February and some of March where we really just weren't having good ties. We didn't have a process of working with one another. We've established a good process. We have just a couple of examples for you. We have Mr. Bashir going to Washington for some major talks next week to get the diplomatic work that we're doing together in Afghanistan, India, elsewhere, back on track. We have had the meetings that between the intelligence chiefs, and we'll see whether that can help us move ahead in a more productive way. We have three of our biggest military brass coming: General Dempsey, General Petraeus, Admiral Mullen will be here next week. We have Congressman Boehner, arguably the most powerful American congressman, coming here. So while I take your point that it's been a very rough patch, where I'm optimistic is that we're on the road to having some better conversations to address the key issues that we want to deal with, to get the agenda back onto how we can help Pakistan, where we can engage.